Do not use your fingers to peel open a sharp tin can. It smells excellent. But is it any good? Oh. Wow. Beautifully seasoned too. It was the first freeze last night, and as usual, I'm okay in this 13.5 tog duvet with duvet case without even wearing anything underneath. But it's not about me, it's about the clothes, because you probably remember I had to replace all of my rotting clothes in Matalan, and the reason they rotted was the moths get in them when the moisture attacks in the winter. So I'm going to have to install a diesel heater just to preserve the clothes, although I think the entire cost of replacing all my clothes was about £100. Right, it's now time, even though it's still freezing, but it's time to get out of my duvet and into my clothes. And I can't film that process because it may involve a few moments of full nudity. So, see you later. I will, however, allow you a sneak peek into the process because I'm trying to put on 3 layers of torso clothing: t-shirt, fleece, army surplus jumper, all at the same time. And they say that efficiency is an advanced form of laziness. But is it really saving me any time? I still haven't got down to the nipple line yet. You'll have to take my word for that. It's on the inside. Lovely day. Even though it's bloody freezing. Paper. Cup of tea, slice of cake. I'm afraid there's no more vanilla flavoured army surplus cake because I've eaten it all. The chap who delivers the light is here. Are you still reading The Guardian and Telegraph, sheeple? Interesting. Right, let's tap this and these two on the right. Yeah. Yes. So now that the solar panel is secured onto there by 4 bolts tapped through the steel roof bars and the aluminium frame of the solar panel itself, that's aluminum to Americans, I'm going to need to take it off so that I can then drill a hole for the gland to conduit the earth and plus 19 volt wires into the charge controller, thence to the battery. So spanners on anti-clockwise, and let's continue to undo everything that we've done. Yeah, loose. Aussie in leak. It's time to use your butyl rubber gutter sealant. After having drilled through the roof. When I do drill through the ceiling, what I don't want is shards of steel in my bell end. So I can catch all of the swarf in that tray, hopefully. Right, about here, I'd say. Let's just confidently go in. No messing about. If I put the old battery back on by mistake. Alright, that's given me a start. Merry Christmas. Except to my roof, because it's been a naughty go and we'll get nothing. Oh yes. And Leah's very kindly.
Weapons.
Yeah. You can tell he was in the army. Lock and load.
Lock and load, that's it. Yeah.
Safety first.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, it's just the right width to squeeze 2 leads together through. Obviously, I can snip these terminals off as long as I label which is which. Did I protect my genitalia? Yes, I did. Those would have been nasty, especially if they got up my backside or in my eyelid. Oh, we got copper on this one. There's posh. And mercifully, the copper is so much easier to cut through than steel, and a better conductor. Okay, why is that again? There is an order to doing these things. That's more logical. Lock and load. Guess it doesn't matter if I cock this up too badly at first, how many times it takes to get right, because it's on the roof. Right, when this is down, we're committing. I ought to be committed. Excellent. Now, place the solar panel back in position to align with the bolts. Perfect. Excellent. All right. Oh wow. It's freezing already, and I hadn't even noticed because I was working hard. It's time to take this for a safety test on some empty Welsh roads to see if that is really on properly. Oh, that was close. And I have indicators, which is nice. Nice and quiet. There's no rattling at all. That's on tight. And my favourite road sign. What a beautiful cold evening. And there it is, still there. Of course, being a completely thorough test, I completely kept to the 60-mile-an-hour speed limit on the empty roads outside of Bilf Wells. And from a distance, would anyone really think anything was untoward? Just a roof rack. Where next? Second gear, seatbelt.